Erica. 2022. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Mas-first lang kung nakuha na kayo. Yan.
Decided tomorrow young 16. Ternyata tidur macam.
Ang pati yung makan.
Januel Dr. Fernando 16. Ternyata tigil-iliw. Yasmin Di Guzman 17. Ternyata di Sabah di Kenya. Mexico Rasman Navarro 19. Ternyata di Sabah Grande. Shakira Valenzuela Capoteja 20. Ternyata di Poborwa. Aileen Joy Alceres Pulido 21. Ternyata di San Pascual. Andrea Jacob Bustera 18. Ternyata di Don Majas. Jackson Jackie Asuncion Bulatao 19. Ternyata di Poblacion. Princess Isha Velasco Pamucino 16. Ternyata di Cacayate.
Okay, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to our 9 official candidates for Sanyata Tibugon 2024. So ladies, please invite them for your pre-pageant and coronation night.
Good morning, everyone. We would like to invite you on our pre-pageant night this May 13, 8 p.m. po sa Public Auditorium po ng Luna. Thank you po. Also, we would like to invite you all to watch our coronation night that we will have on May 18, 2024, same time 8 p.m. at our Public Auditorium. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, ladies and gentlemen, our mayor and vice mayor and all active members to have a photo opportunity to our lovely candidates. Yeah. And even department heads po, may request and subsection to have our photo ops with our 9 official candidates for Sanyata.
Okay, tapos na. Shout
Ang
out!
department heads po, subsection is
Sige, iwan na ka number 2.
photo ops for our Sanyata Tiburgon.
Ilu-ilu guys. Oh, isa number 2, ilu-ilu. Type ka ni MJ. Oh, mamamagmig ng tata. Hindi. Hindi ka kan. Sos MJ is in the house.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, ladies. You can back your place. Okay, thank you so much.
Any other announcement po, ma'am and po?
Kailan yung last submission, yung preparation, para medyo maaga naman tayo matapos. Para pagdating ng ating Hindi natin abutin yung October 16 sa